Yeah, so just some city views from here. Not a lot. Looks to be a fairly big tram system here in Graz as well. But as I say, we're only here for a couple of days, and the hotel that we're staying in, my daughter Katrina has kindly organised a shuttle bus to pick us up from the hotel and take us straight to the track. So we don't have to worry about that. Let's do one more. I have this thing in my mind that when I'm visiting a place, you know, I might never come back. This might be the only time that I'm ever here, so I try and embrace as much as I possibly can and see as much as I can. Because the chances of us ever coming back to Graz, it's very, very slim. So we've got a choice. Which way do we go? Left or right? Links oder rechts? I think we'll get there. Not so bad, so it's fun up. And I'm still breathing pretty well. Not puffing and panting, not out of breath. Looks like this is us getting near the top. So this is the Herberstein Garden. Southern slope of the Schlossberg was cultivated as a vineyard. Okay. So it's all been redone. It fell into neglect, but it's all been tidied up by the council. Once more into the breach. More bloody stairs. So if anybody ever asks you to come and visit the Schlossberg, try and find an alternative way up, because this is a fair old climb. And still it goes on and on and on. Bells going mad everywhere in the distance. I'm going to get a wee bit of shade and stop for a minute. I think that's wise. Let my wee heart calm down a bit. Just listen to that. Isn't that glorious? All the churches, cathedrals, I'm assuming chapels, all chiming their bells at the same time. So it's obviously on the hour at some point. In fact, it's not. It's only 11:15, so I wonder why they're all chiming like that. Yeah, there's definitely going to be lots and lots of videos to see from this one. Must be getting near the top now. Surely. Remember that old joke, don't call me Shirley. Surely you must, don't call me Shirley. I think I'll have a wee drink of water when we get up here. I think I've earned it. This is one of the perils of now doing YouTube videos. When you commit to do something, you feel obliged to keep doing it. Whew. Doesn't look like we've got far to go, so in for a penny. Still feeling pretty good. I think we're getting near the top. We're at the top. Schlossberg. With great views across the city. Lovely gardens down there as well. So that will give you some idea of the scale of Graz. Now, do you remember earlier I was told that the building in the middle of the river was called the Big Blue Alien? I wonder if that's really it. That looks a bit odd, that building there. Look at that. Isn't that an odd shaped building? That's much more likely to be the Big Blue Alien there, so we'll have a look on the map and see if we can see what that is. I bet you're knackered just watching that climb. And I'm actually not too bad. Feeling good, heart rate's good, breathing's good. So I'm doing okay for an old bloke. Just have a quick wander around here. And everybody behind me sensibly look, gathering in the shade. So let's see what's next on the list. So it looks like a wee cafe down there, some parks, gardens. I take it this must be some of the old, yeah, so you can't really see it, some of the older bits of the castle under glass here. Is it open? Yeah, it is open. Entrance slide Graz and a 4D adventure cinema. So it looks like you can get a slide all the way back down again if you choose. So obviously I'm going to do that because I want to make sure that I can get you some more decent footage of the city. I know people that would say, oh, well, that's disappointing going on that way up there only to see that. There must be more than that, Duncan. And there probably is, but as I say, we've only got a few hours. Just trying to capture the main parts of it. So we'll go to this last little bit and then we'll start heading back down to the city. So there's someone in traditional Austrian dress. Tour guide. There's a cafe restaurant up here and then a viewpoint. So I think we'll do that and then that'll be enough for this. I think we'll have seen the main bits that we need to see. People in black t-shirts, black clothes. Much hotter in black clothes than it is in light coloured clothes. So keep that in mind. This is the actual Schlossberg itself. So I'm going to find a shady spot, catch my breath, and get myself a wee drink. This is as good a space as any. Just show you, look, this looks like it's a well-worn spot. Many an arse has made that quite smooth over the years, and mine's is just the latest one. So time for a cold drink.